guys! Good morning! Ayan, sobrang ganda naman ng filter na to. Nakakaganda talaga tong filter na to. Try ko nga yung wala. O, ayan siya. O, inalis na natin. Wala ding ilaw yan. So, may without filter. Pero so, talaga may filter. So, wait lang. So, ayan, i-continue natin. Rolling ba yan? Nang may filter. So, anong pagkaiba, guys? So, medyo bumabata, no? Oo. So, sa mga nagtatanong pala, kasi every time po na umaattend ako ng event, sabi nila, sino yan ang bango nun? So, ito yung aking perfume. At kita nyo naman, paubos na. Si Miss Dior. And, meron pang isa, Givenchy. And, hindi ko na ginagamit ay DKNY Fruity Scent. Ayan. And, ano pa ba? Ubos na yung aking Chloe. Ang bango-bango rin nun. And, guys, whether you believe it or not, ayoko ng pabango ni Chanel. Pero Coco Chanel is one of the most expensive when it comes to everything. Bags, art, damit, clothing, perfumes, and so on and so forth. Siya yung pinakamahal talaga kung i-level mo. Kasi Coco Chanel is the queen, or siya talaga ang nagsimula ng fashion sa buong mundo. So, dati-dati kasi sinusuot lang ng mga babae ay talagang balot na balot, no? But when Coco Chanel launched the little black dress, kung saan kita yung legs ng mga girls. So, that was long ago, no? If you want to know more about it, just search it sa Google. So, ako hindi ko siya sa Google nakuha. I learned it from the school. From the School of Fashion. From Fashion Institute. No. School of Fashion and the Arts Makati. Dalawa kasi po yung schools ko ng fashion. So, doon ko siya nakuha. So, yun lang. So, sa mga asking, this is the Miss Dior. Sobrang bango niyan nga naman, no? Kasi every time attend ako ng event, I do that. And at the back, and voila, pag dumaan ako, ang bago nun. Ayan. So, pag may event lang, pag normal days lang, hindi ko nang ginagamit, guys, kasi I'm always at home doing my live selling. So, this is just to freshen up your day and have a good vibes all throughout the weekend. Don't forget to pray that the war won't get worse because everybody would be affected. And always remember, guys, there has never been a good war. There never ever will be. Tama ba yun? Feeling ko naman tama. So, matalo ka, manalo ka, wala pa rin pong good sa war. So, let's pray and hope that everything would be alright. Bye!